There is an amazing number of birds here. I've driven by here before, and I've seen them swarming, like flying around. It's pretty crazy to see. This is on the way back from my mom's house to my house. It is amazing though, the number of birds here. Standing room only. Look at that. It's probably at least 1,000. You hear them all chirping away. They're enjoying this nice day with no chemtrails, nice blue sky, real clouds. That'd be cool if they flew, because they're really cool looking when they swarm down to eat bugs and stuff. Oh, are they going? Some of them are flying. Look at these, holy crap. There's a gigantic colony of birds. It's amazing. It's crazy. Maybe if I clap really loud, they'll do something. There they go. I did it. I got all of them to fly away. Wow. Look at that. There's none left. I guess they're starting to come back a little bit here. Felt kind of bad now. I disturbed them so much. They're gone. Oh, I see where they went. I don't know if my camera can get that far. They all went over there. There's some flying around here too. Anyway, oh, there's a whole bunch. Slowly starting to come back. Taking their place on the line. That's pretty funny. That clapping really freaked them out, man. They totally took off. But gotta end the video now. Hope you liked it.